Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you about iPhone features that can give you information about the current time from other country. So here you just need to go open the clock by sliding to the left side into the app left. We just type clock here, and then you just need to go tap it. There will be like 4 sections, and you just need to go click into the world clock, and there'll be like a lot of options. I already do some adding some city into my world clock here, so that will like have a lot of information that you can get. Now click this plus button, and you just need to go pick the city that you want to get the information from. Let's say I want to go click this Accra, Ghana. So you'll see now that in the Accra, that will be like 10, almost like 11 in the night. And in my country, it's like 5 or almost 6. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.